Hello, good morning, Merry Christmas. It is Christmas morning today, and I hope everyone had a great Christmas holiday, whatever you had today. But yeah, every year for Christmas, my family goes to this spa in the mountains, so that's like part of our gift. And it's in Asheville, North Carolina. It's this big cozy hotel. It's really cute. So we are leaving for that really soon, probably like 15 minutes. So I just wanted to like take you along with me, kind of experience that too. I don't know how much I can film of that, but just the hotel in general and walking around in Asheville in the mountains, it's really nice and a really fun way to spend Christmas. I feel like a lot of people do go to warm destinations, which is fun too. We've done that before, but there's something about being in the mountains on Christmas. It's all cozy. But yeah, so I'm really excited for that. And I'm wearing some new leggings. They are cheetah print and they are awesome. They're carbon 38 leggings, and then this is just a little Free People top that's just like nude. But yeah, I can show you some more clothes I got in another vlog. I'm not gonna like show everything I got for Christmas. I don't really love those videos sometimes, like they just come across weird, but you will definitely be seeing some new clothes and shoes and things like that I got in this vlog or in another one. So I'm gonna show you this right now though. I got this big coat that I've been wanting forever. I am obsessed with Molly May, Love Island, whatever it is. She always wears these coats that have like the buckles, the zips, and they're just really cozy and soft. Sorry that my room's so messy, but I got one of these and I'm really excited, and I just think it's so cozy. It's a little oversized. Yeah, so that's my outfit today. I got a lot of clothes and stuff. Obviously that's something I love, fashion and stuff like that. So got a lot of cool pieces for Christmas that I will be bringing to the mountains with us. So this is the beginning of that vlog. Please enjoy. Like I said, I hope you had a nice little Christmas. Okay, last thing. I did get some Kylie glosses, which I'm really excited about. So I'm super excited about these. I'm gonna try one right now. This is the color Snatched. I just love the little thick tube. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? I love that. Okay. Yeah, we're also going to, it's my grandma's 91st birthday, and they live in Tennessee, so they're all gonna come meet us and get lunch with us. But yeah, it'll be fun to see some relatives, hang out, but today we're having our little spa day, so I will see you in the car. We're here. Five minutes. We got some jerks cutting us off in traffic. Let's get their license plate in it. Why? It was rude of them. I want them to watch this and see. Should we go this way?
Yeah, we can take this way.
Haunted. Such a nice day at the spa. And now we're off to dinner. It's this really good place, kind of like a little sports bar with really good food. So that's where we're going for dinner, get a little drink. We just got to relax all day, read our books, and drink some tea.
Next time, please just don't invite me. Maybe I know it's crazy, but I just feel like it's not all that fun. My face is cramping from fake smiling for 5 hours, and I feel like it's just time to call it on this one. Oh yeah, way back when we stuck together, but now I see you better go. I'm sick of lying under my breath.
Okay, so yesterday I didn't really record that much just because it was Christmas Day, we had the spa day, like we were just trying to relax, hang out, whatever. This morning we woke up early and went to the gym, which I was proud of us for. And today the relatives come, and then later we're gonna do a little dinner in Asheville, which will be nice. But yeah, I'm glad we did a little family workout today. This hotel is really cute. Well, cute's a weird word because it's enormous, but it's just this big kind of mountain stone inn. I took a lot of videos of it, so I'll put it in. And yesterday was an interesting day because I was trying to get my phone set up, which is just always a pain. Like, it's so exciting to have a new phone, but it was just really difficult to do the iCloud thing and all that. So that was a moment yesterday, but I do really like my phone case, this like black leopard print. We ordered one for my sister, but it was the wrong size, so. So that was unfortunate. We might have to go pick one up today because she's accident prone. Well, that's about it. I'm gonna get dressed, we're gonna go have lunch, and that is gonna be the day. Okay, so we're now dressed, we're ready to go. I'm wearing this little new turtleneck, kind of some blue jeans. Shelby is in, what are you wearing? Got some fringe moment, little ruffle.
And just also jeans.
Blue jeans, and look at our pretty view. Ooh, love that. And off we go. We are now off to dinner. This is our last night of the trip, which is sad, but we're just gonna go explore Asheville a little bit. We're gonna go to this little coffee shop first, get a little midday pickup, and just kind of walk around, maybe go shop a little bit, and get a good dinner later. So I'm just wearing a black bodysuit from Pretty Little Thing, jeans, bag, and these new shoes, which are really fun. These are fun.
It's not all that fun. My face is cramping from fake smiling for 5 hours, and I feel like it's just time to call it on this one. Oh yeah, way back when we stuck together, but now I see you better go. I'm sick of lying under my breath, so now I got some news for you. 'Cause I don't like your friends. I'm sick of just acting like I did from the start. I'm
you so much for watching. Go ahead and thumbs it up, subscribe, share, all the things. Hope you had a great holiday, great Christmas, and Shelby, any last words?
Bye.
Bye.